How to calibrate the hands and set the time on Casio GA-100. So first we must calibrate the hands. While we are on the time mode, we keep the lower right button depressed until we hear the beep. The sub here is flashing, indicating that we can adjust a small hand here at the 12 o'clock position. And to adjust, we press the lower right button. Each press is advancing one step. So we have to bring this at 12 exactly. So after setting the small hand, the sub hand, we have to set the hour and minute hand. So we press the mode button to switch and go to the hand setting, to the main hand setting. So we wait until they stop spinning, and here we have to set both hands to 12 o'clock. With the upper right button they are going back, with the lower right button they are going forward. We keep depressed the upper right button so that they go backwards until we find 12, and then we fine-tune our adjustment with the buttons. This goes backwards, this goes forward. After doing this, we press the adjust button and we get out of the calibrating hands mode. So now we have to set the time. We wait until the hands stop moving. So we keep the adjust button depressed. So now we are in the setting mode. By default, Tokyo is the first town that shows. We have to find our time zone. UTC, London, Madrid, Paris, Rome, Berlin, Stockholm, Athens. That's where I stop. Then I press DST on or off. This is adjusting the daylight saving time. By default it's off or on. With the lower right button we adjust this. Then we can adjust the 12-hour or the 24-hour display. You see on the 24-hour the 2 p.m. is shown as 14 hours. Now we adjust the seconds. If we want to go back, we press the upper right. To advance, we press the lower right. And with the lower left, we toggle between each one to be adjusted. Now we are on the minutes. Now the year, 1921. Then it's the month. We go back, it's the 12th, we check that we are on the month. We know it's a month because the previous one it's 12. 2, 3. The same now for, we don't need to do this, but if you wanted to, if we go back, you see it's the 31st. Local. This is for the adjustment of the light. The duration of the light, we keep it as it is, and we press the adjust button and get out of the time setting. Everything is done. Thank you.